Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore wire transfer issues with Wells Fargo, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To restore wire transfer issues with Wells Fargo, begin by logging into your Wells Fargo online banking account. Navigate to the Accounts section found on the main dashboard. Select the account associated with the wire transfer issue. Click on the Transfer and Pay tab to view wire transfer options. Choose Send a Wire Transfer from the drop-down menu. Review the details of the transfer to ensure accuracy. If you see any discrepancies, update the recipient's information and verify their bank details. Next, check the status of your previous wire transfers. Locate the Wire Transfer History option under the Accounts section. If a transfer is pending, allow some time for processing. If the transfer has failed, note any error codes provided. Contact Wells Fargo customer service for assistance with specific error codes. Keep your account information handy for verification purposes. Ask the representative for clarification on the wire transfer issue. Follow their instructions to resolve the problem effectively. If necessary, request a follow-up call or email for further information. Once resolved, try initiating the wire transfer again. Confirm that the new transfer has been processed correctly. Monitor your account for any additional updates. In case of further issues, repeat the contact process with customer service. Stay informed about Wells Fargo's wire transfer policies for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.